Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change Windows 10 system display language. For this, first click on this one start button, then click settings. In the settings window, click on time and language option. Then select language in the left sidebar. On the right, under preferred language, click on this one plus icon and type your language in which you want to show Windows 10 display and then click on the entry, click next button. This will take a few seconds and then click on this one install button. Leave these all details default, or you can also directly check this one option set as my Windows display language. This will directly set display language to your selected language. In case you don't have checked this option, just click on the install button. You can later change this one Windows display language. Once the language pack is installed, under Windows display language, click on this one drop down menu and select your preferred language that you have just installed. And now Windows will prompt you to sign out. Just click on this one button. Yes, sign out now. Now again log in to your PC. In case you don't find here language is changed, you need to restart your PC once. This will change your Windows 10 display language in various places, such as in the settings app, file explorer, login screen, etc.